In this video, we'll be talking about how to use the accept block. With accept blocks, you can have your clients accept your proposals, sign them electronically, and even pay you from the page. You can use an accept block on any Qwilr page, whether it has a quote or not. So let's get started. In this case, I'm going to set up an accept block for a proposal that I'm going to be sending to my client. You can see the quote block that I've already created. My client is going to need to choose the items that they want, and then they can accept the proposal when they're ready. To add an accept block, I'm going to open up the Add Block menu and then I'm going to choose Accept. I have three options here. I can set this page up to accept without a signature, I can have it electronically signed by one person, or I can have multiple signees. I'll choose single signee here. Keep in mind that you can only add one accept block to a Qwilr page. Now that my accept block is added, I can do some customizations. I'm going to add some text above the accept button to let my client know that accepting the proposal also means that they're accepting my terms and conditions. Next, I'm going to customize the legal statement my client will see as they sign the proposal. I'll open the signature settings and customize the default text. My client will have to click a checkbox to accept this text before they can sign. I'm also going to add a custom message that my clients will see after they accept. I'll head to the Block Options menu and enter that text here. Then I want to change the text on the Accept button itself. So I'm going to click the Edit icon and I'm going to type, "I agree." I'm going to need to capture some extra information from my client as they're accepting. So I'm going to add a custom form here as well. This is an optional step that lets you create extra fields for the acceptance form. We have more about how custom forms work in our knowledge base. Let's do a quick preview of this acceptance. I can do this right from the edit screen by clicking on my accept button. Now I'm seeing exactly what my clients will see, other than that warning banner at the top. And in this preview mode, I won't accidentally accept my own proposal. When my client comes to accept this page, they'll be able to type their signature in, draw it with their mouse or touchscreen, or upload it as an image file. They'll also be prompted to fill out their email address. And with that, the page is accepted, and my client can download a PDF copy. This page is set up for one signee right now, but my client just let me know that their company has 3 decision makers. And they all need to sign, so I'm going to open my signature settings and increase the number of signees to 3. That way each person will be able to sign separately. I'm also going to pre-fill their names. Now they're going to see their names on the acceptance form, and they'll also be able to see who else has signed. And when there are multiple signees, you'll see these icons appear below the acceptance button. Everyone can see who has signed. If I wanted to collect payment when my client accepts, I would set that up here. And if you want to learn more about payments, check out our knowledge base. Once all my clients have accepted this proposal, I'll receive an email letting me know it has been accepted. And since I have optional items in my quote, this email is also going to tell me which ones were accepted. And the last thing you can do with your accept block is add it to your navigation. With my accept block here, I'm going to enable navigation for this page. I'm going to set the menu to appear up in the header. And once I've done that, there's now a persistent accept button at the top of my page, along with a dynamic quote total that's going to update as my client scrolls through and chooses options. And that's it. If we can ever answer any questions about the accept block or anything else, let us know at help@qwilr.com or use the help button within your account.